Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Team. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 8 on the topic Cloze test without cloze. Our repeating today our topic is Cloze test without cloze. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 9th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 9th homework. Students, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to discuss without cloze. So let's start. Students, it starts with number 4. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. So I'm going to read the text. Education is one of the basic needs of human being. It is essential dash any kind of development. So can you guess what will be in the gap? It is essential dash any kind of development. We have to use here a preposition. So it will be for. It is essential for. F-O-R. It is essential for any kind of development. A number of illiterate dash in Bangladesh do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation and population control. A number of illiterate people. So in number B we have to write people. A number of illiterate people in Bangladesh do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation, and population control. If they were dash, they could lead a healthy and planned life. If they were dash, students, look here in this passage. We are talking about education, so here we have to use educated. If they were educated, in number C we have to write educated. Educated, if they were educated, they could lead a healthy and planned life. Education teaches us dash to earn well and how to spend well. Education teaches us dash to earn well. So here we have to write how to earn well. If we have knowledge, then we can understand how to earn well and how to spend well. Students, look here, you can understand before and after and, it will be similar. So after and we find how to spend well. So we have to use here how, because we find to earn. Infinitive is given, so we have to use how to earn well and how to spend well. It enables us to dash the right choices in life and to perform our duties properly. So in number E, it enables us to make the right choices. So in number E, we have to write make. So make the right choices in life and to perform our duties properly. Now come to number 5. Again, read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. Honesty is a great virtue. It helps a man to dash in life. So, honesty helps a man to dash in life. We know honesty helps a man to prosper in life. Prosper in life, or we can use here shine in life. Both are correct. And another word you can use if you want to use succeed in life. It helps a man to prosper in life, to shine in life, to succeed in life. All words are correct. An honest man is dashed and respected by all. So here we can see and respected. So before and after and there will be a similarity. So we have to write here loved. An honest man is loved and respected by all. So in number C we have to write loved. An honest man is loved and respected by all. Nobody dash a dishonest man. So nobody, this is subject, and after subject we have to use a verb. Nobody we can say likes. Students, here number B will be here loved, and in number C it will be nobody likes. Nobody likes, or we can say believes. We can say believes. Nobody likes a dishonest man, or nobody believes a dishonest man. A man dash be successful by means of dash, but that is short-lived. A man can be successful. In number D we have to write can, because after subject we have to use verb. A man can be successful by means of dash, but that is short-lived. So if we earn anything by dishonesty, it is short-lived. So in number E we have to write dishonesty. Dishonesty. A dishonest man suffers in the long run. So that's for number 4 and 5, students. We have done number 4 and 5, and look, number 6 will be your homework. I'm repeating, this number 6 will be your homework. Students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number. Our lecture number is 13 and homework number is 9. You will write this at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please don't forget to do your homework, and don't forget to submit your homework copies. You can submit your homework copies on every Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.